Picture this. You're scrolling online at 11 p.m. and you see it again.
A guy standing next to a rented Lamborghini, a private jet wing in the background. How I made $2 million by 25. Flashy suits, watches that cost more than your car. And some part of your brain goes, okay, that's what rich looks like. So you close the app, look around your apartment, look at your bank balance, and think, I'm nowhere close to that.
But here's the thing. That guy in the video,
Statistically, he's probably broke. And the actual millionaire? He's probably standing in line at Costco right now, wearing a 12-year-old hoodie, driving a Honda with 140,000 miles on it. And you walked right past him without noticing. Because real millionaires don't look like millionaires. They look boring.
So today, I want to break down the boring millionaire blueprint.
Not the fantasy version, the actual, repeatable, unglamorous system that quietly builds real wealth while nobody's watching. According to research from Thomas Stanley, author of The Millionaire
millionaires
Next Door,
often
the
live in
majority of
middle-class
US millionaires live
neighborhoods
in middle-class
and drive
neighborhoods,
used
drive
cars.
used cars. Most of them didn't inherit money. Most of them own boring businesses, save aggressively, and invest consistently for decades. Meanwhile, the people flexing luxury online are often financing all of it. The car is leased, the watch is on a payment plan.
Spending money to look rich prevents you from becoming rich.
Wealth isn't what you spend. Wealth is what you keep. Let's look at the math. Person A earns $70,000. Person B also earns $70,000, but lives like $50,000. Look at his investments growing. After 10 years, almost nothing left. Person B, starting at $180,000, has grown their wealth to $590,000.
Same income, completely different outcome. And from the outside, person B looked like the less impressive one. The gap between rich and wealthy is invisible. Rich is a feeling. Wealthy is a number. Why do so many people chase the appearance instead of the substance? Psychology. Humans are wired for social signaling. Your brain still runs that ancient software. Companies know this. Marketing constantly sells identity, not products.
You see, after a while, you realize the best things aren't bought. I just walk my own path now. Step 1. Separate looking rich from being rich. Every dollar spent, signaling wealth can't compound.
Step 2.
Keep your lifestyle below your income.
This is called lifestyle creep, and it's the quiet killer of wealth.
Yes, finally, a raise. I can get a new car and a bigger apartment and go shopping. I can do it all.
Boring millionaires do the opposite. Gap widens.
Step 3, automate the boring part. Boring millionaires don't rely on willpower. They set up systems, so saving and investing happen automatically. Step 1.
Invest in unglamorous, proven assets. Low-cost index funds.
Real estate.
Retirement accounts. Invest in diversified index funds and watch your future grow with stability. $500 a month from 25 to 65. That's $1.7 million.
Someone who waits until 35, same $500 a month, ends up with roughly $745,000. A 10-year head start is worth almost $1 million. Time isn't just a factor, it's the main ingredient.
Isn't this kind of a boring way to live? Yes.
Think of it like planting a tree. On day one, it looks like nothing happened. Year after year, it still just looks like a tree slowly getting bigger. Nobody's filming it. 20 years later, that same boring tree is providing shade, structure, and value that a flashy weed could never match.
What if I never get to enjoy my money?
But what if I never get to enjoy my money because I'm too busy saving it? The boring millionaire blueprint isn't about deprivation. It's about direction.
They spend intentionally instead of randomly.
Two coworkers, Sarah and Chris, both earn $80,000. Chris upgrades everything.
Look at all these upgrades.
My investments are growing nicely.
5 years pass. Chris still has debt, still stressed privately. Sarah has built close to $110,000. 10 years pass. Sarah has crossed $280,000. Nobody at the office knows any of this. Wealth doesn't announce itself. It just quietly compounds in the background of an ordinary-looking life.
Let's summarize the boring millionaire blueprint. Step 1, planting the seed. 2, crunching the numbers. 3, setting up the tech.
Nobody becomes wealthy by accident, and almost nobody becomes wealthy by looking wealthy. Real financial freedom is built by people who were willing to look unimpressive for a decade so they could be unstoppable for the rest of their life. It's not flashy, it's not exciting, but it works every single time for anyone willing to stick with it.
If this video helped you, hit subscribe. Are you playing the boring long game? Let me know in the comments.